In a bid to revive the economy of the national capital, Delhi government has reduced value-added tax on diesel from 30% to 16.75%, which will bring down diesel prices by over 8 rupees per litre. Once again, diesel will become cheaper than petrol, with its price per litre reducing to rupees 73.64 per litre from the current rupees 82 per litre. Delhi's Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that the decision has been taken in response to repeated demands by traders and industrialists. He sought people's support to revive the economy still reeling under the COVID pandemic. Taxes on petrol and diesel account for over half of their retail price at petrol pumps, though prices vary across states. Fuel prices have been steadily rising since the past month as the centre has increased excise duty and various state governments have hiked value-added tax to offset loss in revenue due to the pandemic. After keeping fuel prices static for nearly 3 months, oil marketing companies have started increasing them in June, which took petrol and diesel prices to all-time highs. This happened despite a fall in Indian and global oil consumption during the second quarter, and global oil prices plummeted despite a fall in international demand. Even oil producers across the world resorted to high production cuts, but still could not contain the fall in oil prices. Not just governments, but the entire economy is dealing with financial stress due to an unprecedented pandemic. High fuel prices are not only affecting end consumers, but are also increasing inflation by hiking cost of transportation of goods. It remains to be seen if centre and other states will act far-sighted to reduce taxes and duties on petrol and diesel to boost demand in the economy. Even international oil producers have cut their production but still have not been able to offset the fall in international fuel prices due to the fact that global consumption has drastically fallen in the past 2 quarters. It remains to be seen whether there would be any imminent revival which will take place in global consumption patterns, although Indian oil marketing companies have reported that domestic demand of petrol, diesel and other petroleum products has plummeted this year as compared to the previous years. It remains to be seen whether there would be some action from the side of oil marketing companies and also from the side of the union government as far as reducing taxes and duties on petroleum products is concerned. This also remains a politically contentious topic, with various political parties and several groups petitioning various courts and are already carrying out protests across the country seeking a rollback in fuel prices, whereas the governments are trying to make some revenue to offset the pandemic and its adverse effect.